And this is 36 hours after the flood, after the pipe broke. You can see pieces of ceiling on the floor. The carpet is still spongy. The emergency warning thingy is still buzzing. And that is where the ceiling is starting to fall. And it's littering the flooring. Still completely spongy. All the moisture in the air is collecting on the windows as well. And also the wall. You can see it's starting to collect the moisture. And that's full water. And right there as well. Moisture collecting along the edge there, all the way down. You can see the water damage. That extends all the way down as well. So, not too much improvement just yet.